Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that was developed and released by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. It's well known for the write once, run everywhere concept, also known as WORA, which means that the compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need to recompile. And that's because Java code is not compiled to machine code. Instead, it's compiled to bytecode that's executed by the Java Virtual Machine or JVM, regardless of the underlying operating system. Java was initially created for programming interactive televisions, but it was too advanced for the television industry at that time. Today, it's used in a wide variety of applications such as web applications development using Spring Framework, mobile applications development on Android, and big data processing with Hadoop. Java also uses an automatic garbage collector which automatically frees up memory that's no longer needed by Java applications, unlike other languages like C and C++ that don't have this feature. However, Java has also some disadvantages such as slower execution speed in comparison to languages like C and C++, and that's the cost of Java platform independence or write once run everywhere concept which we talked about. It also has limited low-level access to the system resources, which was done intentionally to increase security and portability. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.